Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Babita. So in our last video, we talked about hypermature Mogaglian cataract, and in this video, we will be talking about the second type of hypermature cataract, which is known as sclerotic cataract. Sclerosis in medical terms means thickening, hardening, or fibrosis of a structure. In the context of cataract formation, a hypermature sclerotic cataract refers to a lens where the cortex has undergone degeneration. There is hardening of the lens nucleus, while the cortex turns into a thick, dirty sheet-like structure and the whole lens shrinks in size. The lens volume decreases, and in addition to that, the lens capsule also thickens. You can see shrinking and wrinkling of the anterior lens capsule on slit lamp examination. So this is a sclerotic type of hypermature cataract. You can see that it is a total cataract, but as opposed to a mature cataract that you can see on the left side of the screen, this hypermature cataract has a dirty white appearance and the capsule looks wrinkled and opacified. So this is a hypermature cataract of sclerotic variety. So I hope that the concept of sclerotic cataract is clear to you now. Please share this video with your friends and colleagues if you found it useful, and do subscribe to my channel to support free education. Thank you very much.